I'm coming to you again directly from FX Academy, and we're here to help you traders who are trying to become great traders, become better. There are a lot of cliche out there that has become a standard due to consistently being used by these Forex gurus. Forex is not rocket science. If you can learn how to walk, if a baby can learn how to walk, then you can learn how to trade. Without wasting your time, let's get into the topic of the day. We're going to look at simple 6-step trend trading strategy. Simple 6-step trend trading strategy. Number one is very simple. Identify the trend. Identify the trend. How do you identify the trend? The first thing is to go to the highest time frame, 4 hours, 1 day, 1 month. You go to this and then you check the pullbacks. Is the pullback or the descending or ascending? If the pullbacks are happening in the descending order, you know that the dominant trend is a sell. And if the pullback are happening in the ascending order, which is the bullish order, you know that the pullback is what? You know that the dominant trend is the buy. That's how to figure out the trend. Where the market is having the pullback to, is it going up and then pulling back into the sell position? And it has done that like 3 to 4 times consecutively. Then you know that that is the dominant trend. Number two is simply to pick out all your support and resistance. What are supports? Support are areas where the sellers cannot break. Those areas where the sellers cannot break, that they have tried multiple times and cannot go across it, is called a support area. Why we have the resistance? Resistance are areas where the buyers have tried or attempted one or multiple times or many times and cannot break that region. It becomes a resistance area. Rule out all these areas, both on the bullish side and the bearish side. The next thing you need to do is transition to a smaller time frame. Since you did most of your trend analysis and support and resistance on a higher time frame, you come down to a 1 hour time frame or a 30 minutes time frame, depending on your equity. Some do 15 minutes, or depending on your equity. When you come down to this lower time frame, you now see opportunities, short or long opportunities, where you can enter and make smart profit and get out of the market. Then the next one is to find a reason to open a position. Yes, you have found a good entry point. Now, what is the reason to enter that position? Remember, there are people who just want to eat your money on the market. They are called the whales, the market makers, the syndicates. Okay, they are there for you. Now, why should you enter that market? Remember, when you're trading the market, you trade like a lone wolf. Be careful not to follow the crowd most times. Sometimes they are targeting the crowd. So if the crowd is going by, sometimes that market wants to go for a sell. So what is your reason for entering that position? Did you see a big bullish candle? Did you see a big bearish candle? Did you see a confluence of wicks? Did you see a head and shoulder? Did you see an inverted head and shoulder? Did you see double top, triple bottoms? What did you see? Is it an Elliott wave? Is it a bat? Is it a butterfly? What is your reason for getting into the market? You need to find a reason. And then when you do that, you need to know your target profit. $10, $15, $30. What are you going for? You can't just trade the market. Oh, let's trade as it goes. Let me just lock the market. Anywhere the market takes me, I will be there. No. If you hit your trading, your target profit for the day, you leave the market to avoid over trading and avoiding loss. Because when you lose and it cuts down into your equity, you'll be forced to do revenge trading. And revenge trading is the worst thing that can ever happen to a trader in the market. It will run you down. Are you hearing me then? Don't forget to put your stop loss. Stop loss is everything in the market. Remember, the ideology is not to go and make money, is to know how much you want to lose per trade. When you know how much you want to lose per trade, it's easy for you to set your stop loss and even go to bed. Set your stop loss, set your take profit, and what else? Perfect. You make your money and leave the market once it hits your take profit. Have a nice day. I'm your boy, Luxury Pastor from FX. Thank you.
Pro FX shop for you.